Today we're going to customize this mask, but first you gotta suffer by watching me walking on these stilts. Okay, that's enough. We're gonna start out by drawing in some teeth because, we're the Tooth Fairy. And now to cut them out. And to do this, we're going to use our sexy tools to cut them out. Dr. Graphing's in the house. OMG, cutting them out was so satisfying. We're going to place all these teeth on the mask and then start coloring. Of course not with these colored pencils, and also not with Hawking. Aw, look at him. Away with these green pencils. We're going to use our sexy airbrush. We're going to use this old air compressor, and oh my god, bradas, I really hope it still works. You know what? Let's use our lucky Crocs, then it'll definitely work.
Nope.
Oh, come on, man.
Bruh.
SMH, I'm so terrible at this.
Delicious.
Now let's see if the air compressor will work. Time to spray paint, my bradas. We're going to use this neon pink just so it can glow under a black light. You'll see at the end of the video.
Quiet with a big mouth, listen for the doubt, then call it. Make you out for what you say to me. Look at every single day.
Now we're going to use this dark sexy red just to make the pink pop out more. Oh yeah. Oh my bradas, feeling these off is so super satisfying. All of this red makes me want to eat a pineapple. Oh, I'm full. You want a slice? You want a slice? Let's just jump into the final review.